Question number 11. How many electrons are contained in coulomb of electric charge? Option A 6.25 into 108 electrons. Option B 6.25 into 112 electrons. Option C 6.25 into 116 electrons. Option D 6.25 into 118 electrons. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি 6.25 into 118 electrons. Question number 12. What is the percentage of conductivity of electric current in silver? Option A 56%, option B 67%, option C 94%, option D 100%. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি 100%. Question number 13. What is the percentage of conductivity of electric current in aluminium? Option A 22%, option B 47%, option C 56%, option D 76%. উত্তর হবে অপশন C 56%. Question number 14. How the movement of electron through a conductor in a particular direction is called? Option A resistance, option B inductance, option C conductance, option D electric current. উত্তর হবে অপশন D electric current. Question number 15. Which metal has very good conductivity to the electric current? Option A gold, option B copper, option C silver, option D aluminium. Silver. Question number 16. What is the percentage of conductivity of electric current in copper? Option A 56%, option B 67%, option C 94%, option D 100%. উত্তর হবে অপশন C 94%. Question number 17. How many gauge number in SWZ change to double the cross-section area of the conductor? Option A 2 gauge size decreased, option B 4 gauge size increased, option C 5 gauge size increased, option D 3 gauge size decreased. উত্তর হবে অপশন D 3 gauge size decrease. Question number 18. What are the fundamental properties of insulation material? Option A length and cross-sectional area, option B low resistance and thermal heat, option C temperature and electrical hazard, option D insulation resistance and dielectric strength. উত্তর হবে অপশন D insulation resistance and dielectric strength. Question 19. What is the shape of standard wire gauge? Option A square metal disc, option B circular metal disc, option C cylindrical glass disc, option D rectangular plastic disc. উত্তর হবে অপশন B circular metal disc. Question 20. Which electrical quantity is directly proportional to the current carrying capacity of the conductor? Option A wire resistance, option B passing current, option C conductor's shape, option D conductor's diameter. উত্তর হবে অপশন D conductor's diameter. Question 21. Which formula is used to find the conductance? Option A Q/V, option B I into R, option V/I, option D I/V. উত্তর হবে অপশন D I/V. Which materials are used for semiconductor? Option A gallium and indium, option B silver and aluminium, option B arsenic and antimony, option D silicon and germanium. উত্তর হবে অপশন D silicon and germanium. Question 23. How the insulation coating stays without damage even on bending the wire? Option A due to wire resistance, option B due to high current flow, option C due to elastic property of insulation, option D due to the strength of the wire material. উত্তর হবে অপশন C due to elastic property of insulation. Question 24. What is the name of the motion of charge particles in any medium? Option A current, option B voltage, option C resistance, option D frequency. উত্তর হবে অপশন A current. Question 25. What is the specified VCC voltage of 4-bit digital switch with 4 independent lines? Option A 1.5 volt to 2.2 volt. Option B 2.3 volt to 3.26. Option C 4.5 volt to 5.5 volt. Option D 5.0 volt to 7.5 volt. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি 4.5 volt to 5.5 volt. Question 26. What is the purpose of standard wire gauge? Option A measure current. Option B measure voltage. Option C measure diameter of wire. Option D measure insulation of wire. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি measure diameter of wire. Question 27. Which electrical parameter is measured by the measure? Option A current, option B voltage, option C insulation resistance, option D frequency. উত্তর হবে অপশন C insulation resistance. Question 28. How the insulator are called? Option A thyristors, option B molecules, option C dielectrics, option D semiconductors. উত্তর হবে অপশন সি dielectrics. Question 29. Which tool is used for the simplest method of skinning wire? Option A electrician's knife, option B manual wire stripper, option C thermal wire stripper, option D mechanical wire stripper. উত্তর হবে অপশন A electrician's knife. Question 30. Which energy is converted into electrical energy in hydro power stations? Option A heat energy, option B light energy, option C chemical energy, option D mechanical energy. উত্তর হবে অপশন D mechanical energy. Question 31. Which tool is used to measure the size of wire? Option A tri-square, option B steel rule, option C feeler gauge, option D standard wire gauge. উত্তর হবে অপশন D standard wire gauge. Question 32. What is the effect on the current flow with increased diameter of conductor? Option A resistance increases, option B opposes more current, option C more voltage dropped, option D allows high current flow. উত্তর হবে অপশন D allows high current flow. What is the relation of wire diameter with current carrying capacitor of conductor? Option A wire gets less heat, option B directly proportional, option C inversely proportional, option D drops more voltage across it. উত্তর হবে অপশন B directly proportional.